Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable repeat callers for Do Not Disturb exceptions on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now next we're going to tap on notifications. Then go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Then go down and tap on calls, messages, and conversations. In here, tap on repeat callers switch to turn it on or off. If we turn this one on, it allows calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.